scene.
Okay, but they don't saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
Hey. He ain't did nothing. He
Get
just
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Dang.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents? Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to be. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's small. He ain't hard to fix. Come on, come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me? I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay, time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on that.
Outside. I don't care if you wait on you leave. Okay? Let's go.
Tie my shoe.
I don't worry about it. I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go. 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 Go.
You work at Emerald Jacket. You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Go. Time to go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that? Excuse me, he's gonna listen or he's gonna go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even going down the phone. I'm gonna walk up.
422. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that were being disordered.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this with it.
Ma'am, I've been sitting on the couch
I
the whole
understand,
time.
but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your
My
name?
name's Taylor.
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
trying to get my ball.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody get this.
No, you're not listening to me.
Tell me, what the f is wrong with you?
I gave you order.
Look, I don't give a what the f. Look, I don't give a. Look, get the f off me. Fuck wrong with you? Man, nigga, get the f off me.
Now we're down to 2. Send me units in 18. One's wanting to fight with me. Go down.
No, you're doing that.
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud.
Okay, look at here. Here. Look at I'm trying to get.
It's not meant to be gentle. Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, what the? Look at get the off me.
Oh, my brother.
Look at get the man, what the? Stop.
Stand up.
Look, I can't.
Stand up.
Look what it is.
You can get up.
Listen, you let me know so you get it. Oh, son, look like it. Watch out. Watch out. He's going out. Handcuffs on, man.
Let go. Come here. Let go.
Well, you back at your goddamn hand, man.
Hey.
Hey, chill out.
Stop. Take out. Go with this. Take out. Fuck no. Watch out, let me get my phone. No. Come here. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Man, get the off me, car. I don't even move like that. I'm going over there.
Come on, Jacob.
No idea. You need your phone? We ain't shopping anymore, so you can turn around and leave the store right there. Damn phone! Shit! Hey, where's your phone then? Hey, I'm going to get it. Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, bro. Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first? God damn.
If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off. Look, bro,
Get in the
You
car.
either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute.
Look, bro, wait. Look, bro, these handcuffs.
Move your legs.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f***? That hurt. My.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right now.
I don't want handcuffs.
You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside handcuffed.
Alright. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. They'll fix it.
I respect. I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in. Go home. Go home. Good, sir.
Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Webbing caught her with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the f***, bro? I was leaving.
Huh? He's gonna be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got it now.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She is.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am. You have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 vehicles.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go,
fingerprint
boy?
it.
Come on, man. Let me see. What's up?
Oh, where you going?
God, I'm gonna walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming any closer. Stop. Walk down there.
You can sit right there. Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Officer said we can come over there.
Officer McDonald.
The officer said we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we got threat, nigga. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you. Yo, what the f you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep. What
that
the hell?
way.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. What the
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car. All right? All right, turn around, put your ass in your back. No, turn around, put your ass in your back, John.
God, like, what the f tighten up. I'm standing here. You can get out my face. As long as I ain't, whatever the f sounds what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me. Stand up.
If I'm just sitting there playing,
Behind your back. You're going to be under arrest too.
what the f I do?
Battery on Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the
Who?
program.
Who I touched? Y'all sweet.
Y'all not taking both
Go,
of
buddy.
us.
Sweet. I didn't touch not a damn person.
I didn't even do
I'm not gonna do a step on my phone.
that.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean I didn't touch nobody?
Oh, that's family, man.
You want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back.
Didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting.
No, y'all sweet.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting.
Stop me, man.
Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Your legs.
And you just scratched the out my face. Man, let me the go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Man, no, what the let me go. Y'all rolling. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, guy. Don't touch my. I'm tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that. Man,
You're under arrest.
God, get in the car. Ow. Take the badges off, cuz.